In the next question, in fourth question, I have kept 246 equally in 3 pockets. How much do I have in each my pockets? Okay, so total what is the amount? 246 amount, 246 rupees, that much amount. So I kept equally in 3 pockets. How many? 3 pockets. If I kept equally in 3 pockets, then how much amount is there in each pocket? Means here about 3 pockets is given and he is asking about 1 pocket. In 1 pocket how many? So how much money is there? So it means here, so we should divide. Here we should divide. See here. Total amount in three pockets. Rupees 246. Amount in each pocket. Amount in each pocket is equal to rupees 246 divided by 3. It means 3 divides 246 rupees. Then in 3 table, extreme right digit in the rupees, that is 2. 2 is smaller than the divisor, so we should take 2 digits, 24. So extreme left 2 digits we should take. So in 3 table, when you will get 24? 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24. 3 8s are 24. 24 minus 24 is 0. Then after that 6, copy 6. 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 6, 0. Then how much amount is there in each pocket? 82 rupees. Then therefore amount in each pocket. Amount in each pocket. Rupees 82 rupees. Okay. Now the next question. The cost of 4 ice creams of the same kind is 96 rupees 20 paisa. 4 ice cream cost is given. Find the cost of each ice cream. He is given 4 ice creams and asking 1 ice cream cost. It means more he has given, 1 he is asking. So that means we should divide. We should divide. Okay. Now 4 ice creams. 4 ice creams cost is equal to rupees 96 rupees 20 paisa. Then each ice cream cost, each this 96 rupees 20 paisa, so divide with 4. Okay. Here 4 divides 96 rupees 20 paisa. First, so extreme left digit, so that is in rupees 9. So when it will, so divides in 4 table, when it will come in 4 table. So 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12 is more, 4 2s are 8 we should take. So then 9 minus 8 is 1 and the copy next digit, that is 6. Now it is 16. In 4 table, when you will get 16, 4 4s are 4 4s are 16. 16 minus 16 is 0. Now you copy, so decimal point place, that is point here we keep. Then 2. This 2 is less than the 4, so we should take one more. We should copy a next digit, that is 20. If you copy 2 digits at a time, you keep a 0 here. Then in 4 table, when you will get 20, 4 5s are 20. Then 20 minus 20 is 0. It means each ice cream price, each ice cream price is equal to rupees 24 rupees 5 paisa. Okay. Okay students. Now, so now the students in workbook, so now we are going to do brain booster sums. Okay, brain booster sums in that first one. So convert the following 74 rupees into pies. So then how to convert 74 rupees into pies? So that we know 74 rupees means if we convert in pies, so we should multiply with 100. Why? 1 rupee is equal to 100 pies. 74 rupees is equal to 7400 pies. So if you multiply with 100, you will get 7400 pies. Now 250 rupees converted into pies. Again we should multiply with 100, then you will get more 2 zeros extra. Why? 1 rupee is equal to 100 pies. In 100 we have 2 zeros. Okay. Now, so that is 250 and 2 zeros more. That is 25,000 paisa. 25,000 paisa. Okay. So this is the conversion. Now 480 paisa into rupees and pies. Then how to convert rupees and pies? Rupees and pies. First starting 2 means ones place and tens place. First you take ones place and tens place. After that keep a decimal point and the remaining digit, that is 4. So now for rupees. Okay. After tens place we keep a decimal. So then that will convert into rupees as well as pies. 4 rupees and 80 pies. 4 rupees 80 pies. Now next in the second one, fill in the blanks. So 4 rupees 25 paisa. 4 rupees 25 paisa. Then how we will convert? 4 rupees 25. Now 4 rupees and 25 paisa. Then how to convert? So here rupees. First you take rupees, here given rupees. 4 rupees means 4.25 paisa. Pies after the decimal. Okay. Now 0.50 means 50 paisa. This is 50 paisa. Then 1 rupee. 1 rupee we know 100 paisa make 1 rupee. Then 2200 paisa means after 2 digits we keep a decimal, means from right to left. Then after that 22. 22 rupees. 22 rupees. Then after that, so the number of 50 paisa coins required to make 5. In 1 rupee we have 250 paisa coins. So in 5 rupees, 5 to the 10. 10 50 paisa coins. 10. So the number of 50 paisa coins required to make 5 rupees 10. 10 50 paisa coins make 5 rupees. Okay. Here put the greater than and less than symbol. Here 507 paisa. If we convert this into paisa, 577. 577, 507. 577 is greater than, means this is the less value. So less than. So 9780, 9780. So both are same, is equal to 422, 432. This 22 is less. Okay. Now after that add. So first rupees 535.25, then after that 190.50, add both. Okay. 5 plus 0 5, 5 plus 5 6 7, 5 plus 0 5, 9 plus 9 10 11 12, 12 and 1, 5 plus 6 6 plus 1 7. 725 rupees 75 paisa. Okay. Now subtract 235 rupees 50 paisa and 439 rupees 25 paisa. So this is the bigger value, this is the smaller value. So bigger minus smaller we should subtract. Rupees 439 rupees 25 paisa, then rupees 235 rupees 50 paisa. Then now subtract 5 minus 0 5, 2 minus 0 minus is less, so borrow from here, you will get 8 and 12. 12 minus 5 is 7, 8 minus 5 3, 3 minus 3 0, 4 minus 2 is 2. 203 rupees 75 paisa. Now 55 rupees 80 paisa divided by, multiply by 9. rupees 55 rupees 80 paisa multiply by 9. Then 9 with 0, 9 zeros are 0, 9 eights are 72, 2 and 7 here. 9 fives are 45 plus 7 52 and 5. 9 fives are 45 plus 5 50. 502 rupees 20 paisa. Okay, 502 rupees 20 paisa. Now 972 rupees 40 paisa divided by 4. It means 4 divides 972 rupees and 40 paisa. This is about rupees, this is about pice. In 4 table when you will get 9, 4 2s are 8. 9 minus 8 is 1, then copy the next digit, then 4 4s are 16, then minus 7 minus 6 is 1 and copy the next. 4 3s are 12. 12 minus 12 0, no need to take. Then after that copy the decimal. The decimal 4. 4 1s are 4. 4 minus 4 0, copy the next. 4 zeros are 0. The answer is when you divide rupees 972 rupees 40 paisa, if you divide with 4, the answer is rupees 243 rupees 10 paisa. Okay. Students, next question. While going to his village, Mohit spent 60 rupees 50 paisa as a railway fare, 27 rupees 50 paisa as a bus fare and 15 rupees as rickshaw fare. So how much fare did he pay in all? So means we should add here. Okay. First, so railway fare. So that is 60 rupees 50 paisa. Next, bus fare. What is the bus fare? 27 rupees 50 paisa. Then rickshaw fare. Rickshaw fare. How much? 15 rupees. 15 rupees. This is about rupees. This is pice. Now add total fare. Total fare he paid. 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0. 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 0 10. 10 means 0 here and 1 here. 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 7 8. 8 plus 5 13 and 3 here and 1. 6 plus 1 7, 8 9 10. So he paid 103 rupees as a fare. In the next, Bharti went to post office and bought postcard. 10 rupees 50 paisa, inland letter 7 rupees and revenue stamp 12 rupees 75 paisa. And after that she gave 50 rupees, then how much she get back? Means first we should find total how much, the price of all the cards. And that amount should subtract from 50, then you will get how much she will get back. Okay. Now, postcard price 10 rupees 50 paisa. Next, inland letter. Inland letter price, that is 7 rupees. Next, revenue stamp. Revenue stamps price rupees 12 rupees 75 paisa. Then total amount. So add 0 plus 0, 0 plus 5, 5. 5 plus 0, 5, 5 plus 7, 12 and 1. 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus 2, 10. 10 means 0 and 1. 1, 2, 3. 30 rupees 25 paisa. Amount she gave. How much amount she gave? She gave rupees 50. 50 rupees. So what is the total amount of all the cards? So that is 30 rupees 25 paisa. Then amount she will get back. Amount she will get back. Okay, subtract. Then borrow here, here 4, here 10. Again from here 9, here 10. Again from here 9, here 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 0, 9. 4 minus 3, 1. 19 rupees 75 paisa she will get back. Okay. Now the next, if a pair of bangle cost is given 26 rupees 25 paisa. 6 pair of bangles he is asking. One pair he is given, more he is asking, means multiply. Okay. A pair of bangle. A pair of bangles cost is equal to rupees 26 rupees 25 paisa. 6 pairs of bangles cost is equal to rupees 26 rupees 25 paisa multiply with 6. Then multiply with 6. 6 with 5. 6 5s are 30 and 3 here. 6 2s are 12, 13, 14, 15. 15, 5 here and 1 here. 6 6 are 36 plus 1, 37 and 3. 6 2s are 12, 13, 14, 15. 157 rupees 50 paisa. This is the amount. 6 pair of bangles amount. Okay. Now here the divide 95 rupees 50 paisa into 5 equal parts. Then how much each part? So first you divide. So 5 divides 95 rupees and 50 paisa. This is rupees, this is pice. Then say extreme left digit, that is 9. So when you will get in 5. 5 ones are 5. Then 9 minus 5 is 4 and copy this 5. 5 9s are 45. 45 minus 45 0. Now decimal place. Here keep decimal. 5 ones are 5. 5 minus 5 0. Now you copy 0. 5 zeros are 0. 0 minus 0 0. It means each part is equal to rupees 19 rupees 10 paisa. 19 rupees 10 paisa. Okay. Now students, this is enrichment activity. This is the general activity. So what is the main aim of this activity? See here. So by this activity you should develop the understanding of the currency notes. To understand the currency notes of 100, 50, 20, 10 and 5. 10 and 5. You should understand the currency notes. So how the currency notes of 100 and 50 and 20, 10 and 5. So for that what you need? So the material we need is set of the currency notes. 100 rupee notes we need, and 50 rupee note we need, 20 rupee note we need, 10 rupee note we need and 5 rupee note we need. So these 5 notes we need for this activity. So this activity, how many currency notes? 5 currency notes we need. Okay. Okay students. Here, so in the table what he has given: 100 rupee note, 50 rupee note, 20 rupee note, 10 rupee note and 5 rupee note. Color of the note. So whose signature is there? Picture of animals. Picture of animals of the note. Number on the note. So suppose 100 rupee notes. This is 100 rupee note. 100 rupee note. So what is the color of this note? Color of this note is 100 rupee note, you know. So this is green in color. So then, so color of the note green. Green color note. So whose signature? Here signature is there. Governor signature. Governor signature. So Urjit Patel. Urjit R Patel. So here signature is there. Governor name is there here and his signature is there. So that name you should write here. So that name you should write, governor name. So here he has given the name and signature. So on different notes, different governor signature is there. RBI governor. So that governor name and his signature is given. so that we should write. Okay, and animals, if any animal is there on the note, first you find if animal is there, then write. So which animal is there on the note? If it is not there, then leave it blank. Okay, so here on 100 rupee notes, so here one animal is there, Reserve Bank animal, so that in the stamp it is there, so that is one tiger is there, so that is commonly in every note it is there. Okay, other than in any animal is there, first you find and write if any animal is there, otherwise you leave it. Okay, first you see, so in detail you see and write. So number on the note, number on the note is 100. Okay, so this is the number on the note 100, that we should write. So if animals are there on the note, that which animal is there, that name, and whose signature is there, RBI governor signature, so that you write here, and color of the note you should write, and remaining notes also you do and you see and do. Okay, and here after that he has given two questions. How many languages are written on the note? So on each and every note here languages are written. First you count number of languages written. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 languages. How many languages are there? 15 languages are there on the note. It is there in total 15 languages are there on a note. So how many languages? 15 languages are there on a note. Then whose picture is inscribed on the note? Whose picture? So Gandhiji picture. Whose picture? Gandhiji. Okay, so here answer is Gandhiji. Gandhiji picture is inscribed on a note. Okay, okay students.